Hi there, my name is Eric Halfman, Go-to-Market Manager for Gator Utility Vehicles here at the Commodity Classic. Standing in front of an XUV 845M, an open station machine. You know, our producers tell us that they spend a lot of time in utility vehicles on their farms. Almost more time in the utility vehicles than any other piece of equipment. And we need to make sure that we're producing a great product for them. And that's what we have here today at Commodity Classic. Our XUV 845M comes in an open station platform, as you see here today. And also for those cold days or warm days, we have an HVAC cab available too. You may notice a Starfire receiver on the top of this Gator utility vehicle, and that's because this Gator is technology enabled. We can boundary map with this machine, we can auto track with this machine, and you may notice this is an open station with a Starfire receiver as well. For model year 27, we're coming with options from the factory that allow you to order a technology-enabled Gator from the factory. So no longer do you need an HVAC cab to do your boundary mapping. We're offering a lower cost solution for our producers to be able to jump into technology with also a more affordable display. A G5E Command Center is new for our Gator utility vehicle as well in model year 27. I'm really excited to showcase that for our producers. If you'd like to find more information about our Gator utility vehicles, you can certainly check out Deere.com, but get out in your local neighborhood. There's probably a great chance that you have a local John Deere dealer that can help you out and give you a test ride on a Gator utility vehicle.